In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Flatline MK.II in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is obviously go do the gunsmith for your flatline. And what you're going to want to do is select this camo option and go to the multiplayer tab right here. This is going to be where you get all of your challenges to actually get the Shattered Gold camo as well as future camos here on this melee weapon. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is first target these military camos. And these ones are pretty simple. You just got to get 80 kills overall with the Flatline MK.II. Small maps are going to be the key for knocking out all of these challenges. Before we even move on to the special challenges, I just want to say small maps and objective-based game modes, something like domination or hardpoint, where people aren't primarily focused on just killing you, that's what you're going to want to go ahead and play. Hijacked is very good for this. Nuketown, when that comes out, is going to be very good for this. You'll be able to knock all these out very, very quickly. Moving on to the special camos, the first one is the Diamondback. All you got to do is get 15 kills shortly after switching weapons with the Flatline MK.II. This one's pretty simple. The time is very forgiving, but once again, small maps, domination or hardpoint, you'll knock this one out easy. It's super self-explanatory, so there's not like necessarily a full method. Just switch weapons and then hit a melee. Switch weapons, hit a melee. Moving on to Raptor though, you got to kill 30 enemies affected by whatever tactical equipment. Stuns are very helpful for this. What you're going to want to do though is specifically throw it into the hardpoint. And hardpoint is really what you're going to want to use for this because everyone kind of groups up in the hardpoint itself. But throw that in there. Go ahead and get yourself some melees. It's only 30. You should be able to knock this out in one game. Even if you absolutely ruin your KD. As long as you'll get in 1 per kill, you should be good to go. Or I should say 1 per death because you die and then, you respawn with all your tactical equipment. That's really the method for this. Use hardpoint to knock this out. Moving on, you got to get 50 kills while moving. This one's super easy. I actually have found that the best way to do this is by sliding into enemies. But honestly, just play short maps and you'll knock this one out very, very quickly. When Nuketown does come out, it's going to help you out a lot. You can camp inside one of the houses and as people run through, go ahead and get your kills. But obviously, Nuketown's not out right now. Hijacked is a good alternative. You'll be able to knock this out quick, especially on something like domination or hardpoint. I just really think hardpoint is the best game mode. Moving on to, honestly, what is the hardest camo for the melee weapons? It's Shattered Gold. You're going to get 3 kills without dying. I found that domination is by far the best way to do this. Camp right outside of where that B zone is. And as people are running to B zone from, wherever they're spawning, go ahead and just try and take them out. This one is going to be a little bit difficult. It has taken me about 3 games to knock this one out, but you guys will get this fairly quickly. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.